Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are back at the Bluegrass and BBQ Festival at Silver Dollar City.
We're here to get us a tasting passport to get some of that great food, a barbecue, and listen to some of that bluegrass music.
So come with us. Okay, so today is Ashley's birthday. So she's actually going over there to get her birthday pin. If you guys recall from the last video that the video that I had when we went on my birthday, you can see all the things that you get right here, up here above. And if you guys are wanting to see last year's tasting passport of Bluegrass and BBQ, you can also click right up here now for that. So I'm walking into Hannah's Ice Cream Parlor to get us a tasting passport here, and then we will see what foods we want to grab. We're going in kind of blind for this. So anyway, see you after I get this passport.
Hi guys, so after much discussion, after getting our tasting passport with the list of 35 items, we've decided at least 4 items so far. The 5th one may be just a spur of the moment. When you see it, you like it kind of thing. So right now we're gonna go to the Taste of the City and we're gonna hit up the bourbon pulled pork, barbecue pulled chicken. I don't know why I keep wanting to say pork on everything. And definitely gonna hit up the boba blueberry lemonade, but we're not gonna use it for one of our tasting passports. We're gonna just buy it out with our refillable mugs. Then we're gonna definitely get one of the nachos, I'm not sure, in Rivertown Smokehouse Shack. Then we're gonna bounce over to the Rivertown Smokehouse and get us a
Smoked pork loin sandwich.
yeah, because I want to say pulled pork every time I look at these words.
It's a smoked pork loin sandwich.
Yes, and then what was the other
The
thing?
Lumber Camp Falls skillet.
Skillet with the barbecue chicken skillet baked potato, not
Yep.
pulled pork, chicken.
Yes.
All right, we'll see you guys then.
So we have made it to Taste of the City, and we have to apologize. We thought the bourbon barbecue pulled chicken was just like a bowl of chicken, but apparently it is a sandwich, and it has a green apple slaw on it. So it's going to be kind of interesting to try. And normally it is $9.99. So, but this one has been paid for, obviously. And then there's the blueberry boba lemonade, which is normally $6.29. So anyway, we are going to go get this sandwich and we'll see you when we get it. Also, a little correction, it is not 35 eateries, it is 22 eateries. We had a little confusion. It's actually $35 for this without your tasting or without your season pass. With the season pass, it is a little bit of a discount, so we paid like $33 for ours. So yeah, anyway, on to get the bourbon barbecue pulled chicken. Okay, so here is the barbecue pulled chicken.
It looks really good.
Bourbon it does really look good. And Ash, in a last minute, it is a fancy bun. And Ash, in a last minute decision, decided to go for the mac and cheese as our 5th item.
So can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I got really scared about the chicken because it looks like the chicken that we had in our last festival.
Oh no.
At the Wagon Wheel Works grill, and so I freaked out for a second, so I really hope it's good.
And then here is the boba tea. I'm gonna try the boba tea real quick.
It's lemonade.
It's a blueberry lemonade. Wow, that's really good.
Did you get one of the bobas?
I got one of the bobas.
The bobas are like blueberry flavored.
The bobas are the ones that are blueberry. The lemonade is regular. So go after your mac and cheese there.
I'm scared and very apprehensive. Oh, we're good.
We're good. Oh, she's digging in.
Well, I don't want to
some
sit
more.
a little bit.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Can I try it, please?
No.
No. She says no. Let me try.
Their mac and cheese is always really creamy and
All right,
good,
so I got some chicken, and there's kind of what it looks like. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. That is really good.
It's very creamy and good.
Mm-hmm. All right, now I'm going to try this sandwich here in a second.
Okay, so Brady is about to eat his barbecue sandwich with slaw, like apple slaw.
Green apple slaw.
Green apple slaw in it.
Okay, well, that was a piece of the chicken. It didn't taste too bad.
Well, that's not apprehensive. It looks messy, I'll say that.
It's very messy. But it's good.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Like the apple flavoring and stuff with that.
It mixes well?
makes it taste like applewood smoked sort of taste. Combined with the bourbon, like probably one of the best sandwiches I've had here.
Okay, so how many barbecue sauces do you give it out of 5? Like 1 to 5, 5 being the best, obviously.
I give this a 4.5.
Wow.
4.5.
Okay, so what do we do for the mac and cheese? What are we giving it?
I need another bite of it.
Okay.
Let me get another bite of it.
You know, I think if they added more sauce to it, it would be very good. Like if they just kind of poured a little bit of sauce in there. A 3. I think a 3 barbecue like sauces is good for that. I haven't tried this yet.
Instead of trying it with the bun,
yeah.
You want to try it like this?
Okay. Let's see. The flavors are interesting.
They really are.
They complement each other very well. But that train. We love to hear it, but not right now. All right. So, I mean, really, I would give that a 2, though.
She gives it a 2.
I am not super crazy about the flavoring.
I understand.
So,
you don't like apple and chicken together, I get it.
No, I guess not.
It's fine. But what about the mac and cheese?
No, I give the mac and cheese a 3. I like it much better than the sandwich.
Okay.
So, there is that.
All right. So we will see you guys when we get done eating and let you know where our next location is going to be. So as usual, Taste of the City did not disappoint.
It's always the best place, I think.
It is usually one of the better or best places to go for your tasting passport. Just saying. It is located just up the hill from Lucky's Toys and Fireman's Landing. Kind of part of the way up the hill. But our next location is going to be the Rivertown Smokehouse and the Rivertown Smokehouse Shack. Ash is going to go get her nachos, and I am going to go get the pork loin sandwich. We'll let you know which type of nachos Ash gets whenever we get there. So see you guys when we grab our food. Oh look, Rivertown is in sight. Okay, so Ash went and got her nachos. As you can see here, it looks like there's some pork and a little coleslaw, barbecue sauce, and some beans on there.
It's the brisket one, though. I chose brisket.
You went with the brisket one? Okay. And then here's the pork tenderloin one. I'm going to open it up so you can see there is whatever this red is.
I feel like it's like jelly, like relish. Or
it's not jelly relish. It is some sort of relish with some coleslaw on there and of course the pork tenderloin. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on here. So looks like Ash is just going to dive right into the... She did have to wait in line for a while. So let's see what the verdict is. Oh no! Yay. It's good.
But I lost half of it.
She lost some of it. It's laying on the ground now, unfortunately. So what do you give it? 2. She gives it a 2. Oh no.
We need to put like cheese sauce on it. I'm a huge nacho person. I love nachos. And there's no nacho cheese at all.
There's really not.
No,
I'm gonna have to give it a 1. I just tried it. I'm gonna have to give it a 1. Not that great. But I'm gonna move over to the sandwich here. See if I can't get this barbecue sauce open with one hand. I pulled it off. Okay, so we got some barbecue sauce there. Oh, Ash is taking.
What those pink things are, they do not look good to me. But is it good? Doesn't hit right?
No. And the pink stuff is horseradish.
Oh.
Or some sort of radish. Doesn't fit with the taste. I don't know. It's just me personally, but this doesn't kind of fit.
The combination.
The combination is odd, yes. I'm not a fan. So I give it a 2.
So right now, Smokehouse is not doing very well on anything right now. That's really sad.
I know.
You're gonna have to, you know, do something different.
Maybe so. So the last one that we're gonna go get after this is the baked potato.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go over to the lumber camp after we finish this.
Right.
If we finish this.
I'm gonna try.
I don't like wasting food.
Yeah, I hate wasting it, and I sit in line forever.
Anyway, see you guys when we get done eating. So a little update to the pork loin sandwich. It was something that was thrown off for me was the fact that there was like a cold taste to it, and I couldn't figure out what it was. Well, it was actually the tenderloin, the pork loin. It was cooked, but like I just kind of feel like they took it out of the fridge and slapped it on a bun. I hope that wasn't true. I hope that it actually did like cool off while I was sitting there waiting for Ash to go get hers. So
It tasted ice cold to me when I had
it did
Very
taste ice
dry.
cold and dry. So I'm gonna have to change my vote to a 0. The first 0 in BA Adventures history, I think.
You didn't even finish it.
Yeah, I didn't finish. I mean, I ate the meat, I ate
had
the meat.
a tiny piece of it. I could not do it.
but like the rest of it just didn't. No. So my suggestion is avoid that,
Just avoid the smokehouse.
and avoid the nachos as well. At least the brisket ones.
Those were, if they put actual nacho sauce on it, it would have been fine. However,
I agree.
That's not nachos.
No, it's not nachos at all. So, all right. Well, we're almost up here to the lumber camp, and we're gonna get Ash's pulled chicken baked potato.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So, see you there. All right, we have made it to Lumber Camp Falls, and Ash is gonna get her barbecue chicken skillet baked potato. While she's getting that, I'm gonna go sit somewhere over here in the new seating area next to Fried Fancies, which is newly open. So I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna sit down somewhere. See you there. Okay, so Ash has gotten her chicken baked potato.
So it's chicken fajita. Like when you get up there, you're actually gonna read what's in it. So you got like peppers and all kinds of like even more potatoes on top of it.
Well, this is like super potatoey.
Yes, I love it. I'm excited. I hope it's good though. What kind of thing? Kind of been a bust today a little bit in the last few times. So.
Yeah, the last 2 items were a bust, so
Try it. It's a big piece of chicken.
it is a big piece of chicken.
It's way better than the nachos.
It's way better than the nachos. Well, now I've got to try. I want to try at least a little piece of chicken. You give me your rating on what you think.
Like this is a meal. That's how big it is.
I know it does look huge.
I
want to
say
get some potato in there too.
The
Dadgummit.
taste value and the fact that you get so much food with this, I would give it a 4.
A 4?
Because that's like a meal in itself.
Oh wow.
It's kind of spicy though.
It's not bad.
For me, it's spicy. But it is very good.
It is good.
It kind of reminds me of the skillets because it's got the potatoes in it.
Well, that's what it is.
And
It's
everything,
a
so it's
skillet,
like a
but it's
skillet
covered over there.
sandwich, like potato
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Well, that's what it's called, isn't it?
No, this is a barbecue chicken baked potato.
Are you sure? It's a barbecue chicken skillet baked potato.
Oh.
It does have skillet in the
Then
name.
what do you want? No wonder why I was like, it's a skillet. My bad.
It happens to the best of us. It's okay. All right, well, she gives that a 4.
Yeah, I think this might be my favorite thing actually.
I give it a 3 just because of the bunch of potatoes. I'm not a huge baked potato fan.
Like
I like-
sour cream. This would be
Ooh,
really good.
that would be
with
good.
it.
And cheese. Needs cheese. Everything needs cheese.
Yeah, you know, sour cream cheese. Yeah, it would be like the equivalent of a nacho, but on a baked potato.
Yeah, agreed.
That would be perfect.
Yeah.
Think about that next year, $7 if you're listening.
Yes. All right, well, she's gonna finish this, and then we might go find some entertainment to watch or listen to. I believe there's Chicken Wire Empire that we need to go see.
And it's contemporary bluegrass, which I'm not a fan of bluegrass.
I'm intrigued to see what it's gonna be like.
So I think it'll be like modernized. I don't know.
So anyway, we will see you guys whenever we go head over there. So we have made it to the Riverfront Playhouse, but unfortunately we did not make it in time to go in and see the show. So we apologize. We are going to look and see if we could possibly find a alternative show to go see. I'm gonna sit down and discuss it with Ash, and then I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So we could not find an alternative that we really wanted to go see, and we apologize that we were not able to get there in time for that.
2 minutes shy.
2 minutes shy. But if you are in the park and they are playing, go see them for us.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know. Comment below. But that being said, we're gonna have to head on home. It's been a long day here at the park.
My stomach hurts. It's so full right now.
Well, partially.
Well, that baked potato was like a full meal,
That is true.
I ate almost all of it.
That is true. She did. She did eat all of that. So the tasting passport this year, our options were 50% good, 50% not so good.
So far, it's been the worst one for us.
So far this season,
Yeah.
this season. So, but anyway, to keep up with some more, there's going to be some times where I come here by myself this summer, unfortunately, because I don't work during the week as much as I had been. So that'll be fun. Anyway, that being said, if you guys want to see more of our theme park videos, news and adventures, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
so that you guys don't miss out on any more of our other adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.